strongholds.
Welcome guys. In this video, I will be telling you about the new version of Windows 11, that is Windows 11 SE, and how it will be beneficial for your computer. So, Microsoft didn't explain what exactly the SE stands for, but it might as well be Simple Edition or Student Edition. That's the focus of Windows 11 SE. It's a simplified version of Windows aimed at students in K-8 classrooms. On the surface, it looks just like the regular version of Windows 11. Unlike S mode, it's not restricted to just Microsoft apps. We don't know yet what features are getting cut from Windows 11 and how locked down the operating system will be. However, according to a post by Windows latest several months ago, it appears SE will be very locked down out of the box. The early build had the following items disabled. Disables news and interests, Windows widgets, full Win32 app support, S mode is disabled, Microsoft Store is blocked by default, settings app adverts for Edge Bing were removed, and your phone integration no longer works. Even as a restricted version of Windows SE still benefits from the regular Windows 11 features. It includes rounded corners, start menu, Windows search, updated file explorer, and more. Essentially, Windows 11 SE is Windows 11 with some of the fat trimmed. It's not remarkably different, but Microsoft is positioning it as a slimmed-down version of Windows for affordable, low-powered computers. The specifications of the Surface Laptop SE show the sort of low-cost devices that will arrive with Windows 11 SE. Microsoft claims to have optimized Windows 11 SE for low-cost laptops with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, so we'll have to see how it performs. So, yeah, if you are having 4 GB RAM, then Windows 11 SE will be a better option for you. Windows 11 SE also allows third-party programs like Zoom and Chrome, because Microsoft's Education Marketing Director Paige Johnson wants to give schools the choice of what works best for them. In the future, administrators will be in command of which apps are deployed, and devices may be managed to update discreetly outside of class. Microsoft Store will not be included in Windows 11 SE. Instead, Microsoft is enabling its administrators to install specific third-party programs on SE devices. However, Microsoft hasn't released its full list of authorized applications yet, which includes Chrome and Zoom. These changes also confirm that SE is not a replacement for Windows 11 Education Edition, another flavor of Windows optimized for schools. Education Edition is a more advanced variant of Windows that takes most of its identity from the Pro version of Windows. With Education, you get Pro's full CPU core, socket, and physical memory compatibility. It also has hardware device encryption and features exclusive to Education, such as BranchCake and AppLocker. Keep in mind that Windows 11 SE is still not out yet, so any of these changes are subject to change before an official launch. We should learn more in the coming months. So, that's all I got for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down your opinions.